Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika and let's check the pulse of the stock market. But before that, let me wish you all a very happy, prosperous New Year 2026 and let's create wealth together with the Stock Market Pulse. So join and subscribe the channel also for a stock market update and insight. And today in the first video of this year I am going to discuss the long term view for the Nifty Bank, and I will share and discuss everything about the stock market. Even tomorrow I'm going to discuss the long term view for the Nifty 50 also, so please watch that video also tomorrow, Sunday video. But today I am going to discuss the bank Nifty chart. So especially I'm talking long term for the year at least, so I'm going to totally focus on the Nifty Bank technical chart so that we can understand. So to know the important update about the bank Nifty and levels, is stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe also for the stock market update. So first of all, let me share you with you all that bank Nifty started the new year with the new all-time high, new record high. That means the all firework happened even bank Nifty also and Nifty 50 also. So stock market was totally very happy on the new year day, new year first, new year week, and the market has outperformed first week of the 2026. So I will share the chart and will show you what all happened, how it happened that Nifty Bank touched the record high, and what can be the important trigger, important resistance. But Bank Nifty, of course, on Friday last, this yesterday only, has touched the new record high of 60,200. So 60,200 around already the new all time has been touched by the Bank Nifty, and reason was important reason that the Q3 update is Q3 result, Q3 earning is going to start in January month only. Actually the expectation that the Q3 update is going to be strong Q3 update. So because of that, Nifty Bank was very performing very good on Friday. Weekly candle, which is looking very good, and even it has touched the earlier ATH of 60,100, and even closed above that 60,100, and it has closed around 60,150, which is actually above the last ATH, and does the new all-time high of the 60,200. So 60,200 is record high. Definitely the candle is looking very strong on for the first week of the 2026. और ये एक overall long term discussion is going on, so that I have opened the weekly chart to show you all that I have drawn this trend line, long term trend line here. Of course, you if you see, zoom, you can zoom it out, you can see, of course, this trend line is giving a resistance around 60,600. Okay, I can say roughly 60,600, ये 60,600 से 60,700 के आसपास भी हो सकता है. Okay, so 60,600 to 60,700 can be a resistance looking here for the long term scenario. But अभी तो ये 60,200 पे ही है, तो 60,200 से 60,500 तक जाने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. 400 तक जाने में it will not take any time. But we have to see above the 60,500, is it going to break this level 60,500, 600, or is it taking resistance from here and going back again to the level of 20 week EMH, जो कि यहाँ पे blue line, you can see this blue line, is it going to this level and taking, and earlier you can see here this line, if I have to draw this line, it will be like this here, ये exact around 20, ये 20 week EMA, और यहाँ पे ये जो है ये 1 2 1, एक बार रेजिस्टेंस दिया इसने, यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस था एंड हियर ऑल्सो इट वाज रेजिस्टेंस, एंड फ्रॉम हियर it has become the support of 1 2 3, even 4 week. Fourth week it has given a good move toward this trend line. So this support you can see looking very very crucial of 57,600 roughly I can say, or you have to watch this 57,600 at least I can say. If I talk long term, of course ये level break करने के बाद long term में it may fall even more from here if it's breaking this 57,600. Okay, but reason, like, if you aware that 1st of February, in February month we are going to see the budget from the government, Indian government on, and that is very important event we can say for the stock market, which is definitely going to affect the stock market, going to put some impact on this, that we have to watch in next month, in February month, and before that in January month already the Q3 update is coming. So ये दो चीज two thing is very important, the Q3 updates and the budget. It is going to change the scenario of the uh, bank nifty, even for the nifty 50 also I can say, the whole stock market. So this 57,600 ka level will be very important from midterm perspective. After breaking this, it may fall more. But what should we see if it's breaking 60,600 or 700 around? I can say ये वाला level, क्योंकि I can say 60,500 से 600 तक लग रहा है मुझे. तो overall I can say 60,600 trend line is the resistance. Breaking this trend line resistance around I can say 60,600 to 700, not more than that. Breaking this trend line, Nifty Bank will not look back below this level of what I am giving of 57,700 600 around. ये तो मैं जब दे रही हूँ जबकि ये नीचे ज़्यादा गिरता है या कुछ बजट में ऐसा कुछ होता है, आई डोंट नो. अब आई कांट प्रेडिक्ट द बजट, बट यस, दिस लाइन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द मिड टर्म परस्पेक्टिव. ये लाइन ब्रेक हुई, दिस रेजिस्टेंस अगर ब्रेक हुआ, दिस ट्रेंड लाइन इफ इट इज being broken, Nifty Bank may go even beyond this level also, because the last year the Trump tariff hampered the stock market. The market has given very very less return. Nifty given very less return. Even Nifty Bank also. So last before, like I can say November, October, November के पहले, the overall market was just got triggered by the Trump tariff, by the geopolitical conditions, by the USD/NR, our rupees declining. Last year, if I look it back, I can say there was no good return. It was consolidating. It was in a consolidation zone. It was overall consolidated. Even Nifty 50 took so many weeks, so many months to touch the all-time high again. Even last I can say last this week only it has again touched the old all-time high. So it was totally in a sideways, and not given a very good positive return. But this year is looking good because of the, first of all, the growth of India, the GDP growth, and the inflation is going down. Interest rate cut is happening from the RBI, even from the Federal Reserve it is happening. So all it is giving the positive boost to the stock market. And Trump tariff पे अभी थोड़ा बहुत discussion is going on, that is also getting resolved. And Brent oil is also cooling off. Metal is also going high, like silver and gold already has given a massive return, especially silver. Copper is also given a very good return, and it is rising high. I have analyzed the Nifty Bank chart, and you might have understood important resistance. Breaking this resistance, 60,600, 700. Nifty Bank is definitely going to rise, going to give a very good return also for the whole year. If I talk about, you can focus on bank stocks like private banks, PSU banks, government banks like Bank Nifty, private banks, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, a lot of good banks, and even the government PSU banks also going to give a good positive return. So this is not any recommendation. I'm just taking the stocks name which are looking very good for the like NBFC also looking for the long term perspective. I'm talking about at least this horizon should be 1 year more than that. I am expecting good upside potential from the bank Nifty also, even from the stock market also, and I'm hoping that this year is not going to the same like last year. I hope that this year is definitely going to be good, and hope for the best. Even short term also, this level is very important, 60,700. And yes, midterm support can be the 57,600. Definitely, if it's breaking this 57,600, my video is always coming on weekly basis. This I'm talking about the long term, but yes, always I'm weekly video में मैं short term का ही बात करती हूँ. तो definitely I will discuss the short term level also. But this week, yes, midterm support will be the 57,600. और ये ब्रेक होने के बाद of course ज़्यादा फॉल आएगा. दैट आई विल डिस्कस इफ इट्स हैपनिंग. इफ इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग, why should we discuss about that? So important support is, of course, I will say mid-term support is 57,600. Important resistance is 60,600, and breaking 60,600 definitely will give a good upside to the bank Nifty. Overall, I have discussed in detail everything, the positive and even the negative triggers also for the stock market, and the positive thing which is we are expecting this year, positive Q3, everything you can even rewind and listen again, and which is very important. Please focus on the Q3 updates definitely, and on the budget. So budget के लिए I definitely will talk separately in other video, but yes, these two important things is definitely going to affect the uh, bank Nifty and even the whole stock market. So watch out the important event of budget and the Q3 result, and I will definitely will be coming with the short term weekly update also. So that is definitely going to be continue, and you please put your notification on so that every week you will get all the update about the stock market. I'm going to discuss the important long term level and long term target of the Nifty 50 also in Sunday video. Please watch that video also, which is very important. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and wish you again all a very happy new year 2026. Signing off.